Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply delete your Venmo account. So first of all, to address, we can't delete our Venmo account from our app, so you must log in into your Venmo account through a browser to delete your account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, we need to type in the URL of Venmo on our web browser, which is http://venmo.com. After doing that, we will be redirected to its page where we can simply go and sign into our Venmo account. After we sign in, we have to enter the code that has been sent to our number, which is linked with our Venmo account. So after doing this, we will be logged in, and all we need to do is click on the setting option on the left hand side of the screen. Now as you scroll down, you can see close my Venmo account. You have to simply click on it, and if you are confirmed to delete your account, you have to press the next button. So once you do this, you have to click on close account, and now you're set with a deleted Venmo account. I hope you found this video really informative, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. See you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.